Hi, my name's Rene and I'm the owner of Beach Beauty Bar and Acne Clinic. In Huntington Beach, California, we specialize in clearing acne. We work with clients all over the country and locally as well. When you sign up for an appointment with us, you're going to fill out a very thorough form telling us all the things about your nutrition, your lifestyle, shampoo, hair products, all kinds of different things that we're going to review, and we're going to review it with you when we meet you either in person at our clinic or virtually. We meet with clients virtually all the time, and you can clear just as easy remotely as you can in our clinic with us. After we have set up an appointment with you, we meet either via FaceTime or in person, and we review all of the things that are triggering your acne. Now, you might be thinking, I've tried everything, I've done Accutane, I've gone off dairy, I've gone off of grapes, whatever it may be. There's so many myths out there. No chocolate, this or that. We are going to clarify it for you, and I guarantee it. I blow everybody's mind when they have their consultation and they are just flabbergasted at some of the things that are triggering their acne that they had no idea. And you don't have to take notes or anything, because we're going to send you, if you're meeting with us virtually, this booklet, which is our Clear Skin Guide. Within the Clear Skin Guide are all of the details that we review during our consultation, including pore clogging ingredients. If you're a guy, how to shave your face. There's a lot of things that guys need to know. All about nutrition, which foods to avoid, about your laundry, about how you do your oral care. There's just so many things that you have no idea. You're going to get this, like I said, in the mail or in person, along with a customized kit that we are going to put together for you. The kit depends on a lot of things. It depends on your ethnicity. It depends on if you're dry or oily, if you have cystic acne, or if you have non-inflamed. There's so many different products that are specific to those individual skin types, and that's why we need a consultation to find out. You can order a kit from us online, but I really would encourage you to book an appointment, because without the appointment, you're not going to get the really fine detail that I'm going to dig in with you to really teach you what's going on with your skin, so that you can just make some changes and get rid of your acne once and for all. After our call, if we're meeting virtually, I literally am going to pack it up in a box and ship you your kit and your Clear Skin Guide and your set of instructions for the first 2 weeks. The first 2 weeks, you will be doing a routine morning and night. After 2 weeks, we will meet again virtually and we will change your routine. I will then send you a new routine card and a professional treatment that we do here in our clinic. I can't tell you enough about our consultation. It is worth its weight in gold. It's the best money you've ever spent, I promise you. And if you work with us, the other thing I promise, I will do everything in my power to help you get clear. I am so committed to you. The biggest thing is that you have to commit to yourself and make these changes and do the things that we ask you to do. I cannot wait for you to get clear. So please book an appointment and let's get you clear.